So this little piece, there's two of them. They need to be placed in perfectly, and one or the other might come loose over time, which will cause this, when put on here, to have kind of a mismatched direction, or feel like one direction, one way or the other, is slightly looser. So when you take that apart, a lot of the times that little clip that I was showing you right here is going to be loose or out of the way, or this one, which makes it so that there's only a connection that way or that way. You're not getting it this way to let the lumbar out. Once taken apart, everything works great. And to get that out, so there's going to be this clip. You might break it. It's got to slide this way somehow, but you've got to pry the bottom out to then pry this side out, but you need to move this seat all the way forward and up, and then this little clip right there is going to be sliding back over that. Once you get all this off, what you'll have to do is pop the forward backwards out from right here. You'll unbolt this. It's going to be 3 screws. These 3 screws right there, don't mind all the dog hair. I'm aware of how terrible that is. There's going to be one there, and one on the bottom side. You're going to move that out of the way, and then the whole plug module thing for this is going to go right into here. Once you kind of get that in there, all you'll do is press that in. That will press in. This will bolt, or pardon me, plug it right back into this little plug here. Damn fingers work. This will go back up to here. These, when they come through, you'll put these back on, screw that back in,